Okay, we have a small segment एक है जिसमें what I eat in a day. So let's find out what something fixed stuff which you eat for your breakfast, lunch या dinner में. What do you something कुछ तो जैसा है कि जो मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए.
Yes. Sir, I have pancakes
Hmm.
sometimes, and I have a smoothie which is being made by my mom, which has a lot of oatmeal, berries, fruits, and dragon fruit, a lot of avocado. So I drink that every day, and cereals also sometimes, eggs. Yeah, that mostly this. And in lunch, I have heavy stuff like rajma chawal. I can have chicken also, but not this point. I have rajma chawal, dal, all types of dals. And in night, I keep it light basically because you're going to sleep eventually, so you might not exercise at that time. So it may be a good salad with fish or something. So I mostly have that in the night, and I exercise after that. And in between, before like brunch or something, in the evening snacks or something, I have fruits or eat some more cereal, so that helps. Milk, yeah.
Okay. And what do you eat in your cheat meal? Something when you know like just a party day and you're free to eat.
Um, I don't like that much junk, but I like my favorite dish, which is I have a lot, which is my mom. My mom is Maharashtrian, so she makes varan bhat. I love
Okay.
that. And after that, I eat a lot of chawal and sugar. So I like that. A lot of that. That could be my cheat meal. I have that.
तो मीठे की बात करें तो कितना मीठे में क्या पसंद है? What do you like?
I like gulab jamun. I like gulab jamun. But I still
Okay.
have to control on my sweets. I like kind of jellies also. I have it sometimes. My sister, that could be like candies. I have that also.
इसके बीच में कुछ लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि क्रिस को आपने खाते हुए देखा तो वो क्या खाते थे उनके लंच में या
Sir, he has so unka there's a particular chef that was called Nayar. Um, so he makes different various kinds of dishes, organically produced. Chicken stew, baked chicken, something like that, which is very very different, and I feel it cannot be found in India. So he told me that you should eat a lot of raw food as possible because cooked can kill all the nutrition that are present in the food, and there's no point
ओके
of eating it. He mainly eats vegetables, green vegetables, and kale, um, a lot of broccoli and chicken, especially because that gives them a lot of energy to do all the action stunts. And I can tell you a secret. Where when I went in his room now once, he was eating pizzas. So I was like, "Ah, you eating pizzas? So it's a cheat day." And yeah, he did eat pizzas. And I was sure that he eats pizzas because looking at his muscles, I thought he
या
just works out and eats all the healthy stuff. But these people also have cheat days, and I was like, whoa! And he offered me also. I was like, hey, Thomas, give me pizzas.
तो उनको मीठे में क्या पसंद है उनको कभी मीठा खाते हुए देखा आपने
Um, nah, he never eats sweets. I've never seen. Only once he was eating Lay's chips once, and I've never seen him eating sweets. I don't know. Yeah,
ओके
never eats sweets.
what about you what's your favorite drink मतलब what do you like which cola or something milkshake or something what do you like
Um, I like smoothies mostly. I don't like aerated drinks because they are very bad for
okay
your health and a lot of sugar content in them. But I like organic and what his app also center has a lot of food recipes that are beneficial for your muscle development, for your body development.
okay
So I use those advice and I keep contacting his fitness trainer, which is Luke Dochi, and I keep messaging him, sir, could you tell me some more food and tips, techniques? So he sends a lot of stuff, and I blend them and I drink them. Yeah, I have smoothies mostly.
which is your favorite food I mean or junk or whatever it is something which you really want every time you want to eat it again and again
Every time. Um, every time, I mean, if my mom asks me, "Beta, tum khane mein kya khaoge?" तो my favorite dish would be dahi chawal and shakkar. That's all time favorite. I would just ask her for that, and or it could be jeera rice also. I love that. This is my
Okay.
favorite. Every time I ask her, it would be this only.
And favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate. Anytime. I love
Chocolate.
chocolate. Oh, I love that.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Belgian chocolate.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.